We are gonna be unboxing this new baby. Nga puti kayo now. Pasabot tungod din sa lights. So, this is what's inside. Very precious. Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another vlog. I chose to stay here sa balcony because I got off from work and then kalat kayo ang sulod. So what I have here, I'm gonna be unboxing this new iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, so this is it. Okay, taga na mag-story, no? I wasn't planning to get this because I still have my iPhone XS Max working perfectly, okay? Balik ta de, ano de. One day, I told Bacho that I feel like vlogging on the phone na because it's very convenient. Gamay ra siya, dili siya bulky compared nga mag-vlog ka with your camera. One day, I don't know if katong nakabantay sa akong post nga like, who wants to see unboxing? On that same night, I walk away without my knowledge. He purchased an iPhone 12 Pro sa Apple website. However, it'll arrive between November 30th to December 10, around nga na. And so, he went to the mall, he got the phone. Siya excited for me, actually, dili ako. Okay, so now let's go to the unboxing part because this, it's too much talking. Okay, so this is it. Okay. Oh my God. Kailangan ko ka ng with finesse ba? Ay! Dili siya finesse. Okay. Nag-6 pilit. Okay. This is the box. So, this time, slimmer siya, yung box. Now guys, if you wanna check more details about the specs and all that, pananaon lang mo mga tech, smells so fresh. So, this is what's inside. Very precious. So, naablihan na niya siya ganiha because ibutangan niya ang screen protector. Wala na yung mga plastic. Feels so nice. Ingrid siya. Ambot lang. Hindi man kayo ko hilig ang mga gadgets good, so I really cannot. No fire alarm. Okay. I didn't get the Max because I had the XS Max and nakuha na kay ko niya. This is what I have before XS Max. See, it's too big. Protector niya. See, muna siya difference niya. This is the difference. And then, kana mahugin ni ron. This 12 Pro, mas dako lang ni siya gamay, taas-taas lang ni siya gamay sa X. And then, what else do we have here? Yung box has the charging cable, the usual, but wala na tong murag adapter niya. And then, it has this one, all the readable materials, and they have sticker as well. That is it. Okay, so i-on na to. Hello? Hello, telephone? Okay na siya. I've always wanted to get that Pacific blue color for a change because I am always using this kasi tawag ani nga color basta kani siya. So if you compare nimo, more siya may pagka white grayish kani compared kani siya mas darker ni siya. Ingani lang ni siya color because naa siya protector nga matte but kani mas hayag-hayag siya. Lisod kay siya orderon and yeah, as I've mentioned earlier, Bacho ordered online but then wala na siya kahuwat so he went to the mall. Dili siya available. The Pacific Blue And then lisod kay siya pangitaon manggod, dili pa manggod kay siya available yun, or maybe grabe lang yun kay daghan lang siguro kayang nag-order. So that's why. Then that's it. I'll just set it up. Guys, nakalimot ko. Kailangan nag-SIM. Necessary. So, this phone, iyang SIM card slot na dito sa kilid. Nasa left side. And... see. The size of this iPhone for me is just right. Sakto lang yun. Maka-reach ako sa akong mga keys. Parehaan nga kailangan ko magduha ka kamot. So this one, I can just use one finger and convenient siya. This video is just a first impression. I also have this free case. Kuyaw gud ani siya. Panzer glass, clear case, protect the design you paid for. Antibacterial. Kuyaw good. The case contains the dimethyllotadi whatever, ammonium chloride, and silver phosphate glass, which inhibits the growth of microorganisms on the surface of the product, proven to kill 99.99% of most common surface bacteria that may affect this product. The antibacterial properties do not protect users or others against bacteria. Amazing! So, na siya antibacterial nga kuan, guys. Ang akong case. Di ba? Di ka malain. Grabe naman pangwarta sa mga tao ron. Gidok ka! Kita namang nag-unbox nga. Gidok ka. Uy, ka-amor-amor. Continue as Siri in English. Hey Siri! Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, play some music. Nyauman kay kanang ako man gitara akong tingog nyauman ang usual kay Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Tingog ang isa ka Siri.
Okay, I found this on the web for Play Series. Check it out.
No Siri. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Wala ko choice because this is my phone. I have to like it, right? More gid siya katong 5. I also had a 5S before, and more siya nga nga feel, except kaning part sa likod and all that, and of course, much more improved mga functionalities and all that. So yeah, I like it. I'm so happy with this phone, and I hope that I'd be able to use it for my future vlogs. Kay mo gid siya akong plano good. Mo gid siya akong plano. Reason why I got this is because I was planning to use the phone for the future vlogs. Yeah, so I'm gonna be updating you soon. Comment down below kung sa imong favorite nga iPhone or which phone you are currently using. So, we're really done with our unboxing and first impression. I hope na akong content. And yeah, before you head to the nearest Apple store, just, do a step back and think if it's really a necessity. Daghan man sad siguro gihapon nga other phones that can give you best quality. Like it really depends man sad good kung unsay imong usage or unsay imong gamit for your phone, like if you're for vlogging and all that. I'm sure there are a lot of phones out there nga that can deliver good quality photos or videos. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified for new videos. And always remember, living life with contentment is the greatest well-being. Ciao, adios, I'm done.